Hey there, I have a question for you, and my question is, have you had to deal with long-term health symptoms, maybe a chronic illness, or something that just won't go away? You've tried lots of treatments and you just don't fully recover? Well, I was on that roller coaster for more than 15 years and I did recover. I found a way, and I think you can too.
Hi, this is my friend Fiona, who is gonna show you and will share with you the detox protocols that she used and helped her, and as well she will show you how to build the devices, yes, a device that you can build that help her to detox and improve her health.
This is my friend Yanis, and Yanis is an electronics engineer, and he's going to help you to choose the correct components and find out the correct specifications for your device. When I took Yanis's webinar on this, it really put the puzzle pieces in together for me on the electronics component of the anti-nano devices that I was building, and it really helped me to troubleshoot any problems. So it really is the missing piece, I think.
Yes, and with schematics, a very good explanation, so it's easy to follow. We have put these two trainings together on Liberty Learn. It starts on February 11th, and you can register for either of the courses or both the courses, and they will be presented with, I think, 1 week difference.
Mm-hmm. So you'll find the registration links in the description below,
yes,
or in the description
somewhere
box.
in the page. So see you over there.
Bye bye.